Most people think ceramic car coatings are only for high-end cars. This is not the case. Ceramic coatings are for people who understand their car is an investment and want to keep it well maintained. When you invest in a ceramic coating, you're getting more than just an extreme, jaw-dropping shine, even though that's the main reason most people get them. However, there are so many benefits to protecting your car with a ceramic coating. I'll name a few. Extreme, radiant shine that will last for years, not months like waxes. Hydrophobic properties helps to repel dust and dirt, keeping your car cleaner longer. Low maintenance. Once your car is protected with a ceramic coating, you no longer have to worry about waxing it. 9H hardness, which acts as a sacrificial layer of protection for your car's paint against bird droppings, tree sap, hard water spotting, and scratches. The highest UV protection to protect against oxidation and paint fading. Cost effective. Ceramic coatings appear to be expensive, but when you take a closer look, they are far less expensive than waxing your car 4 to 6 times a year. Ceramic coating prices vary from $695 to about $3,500, depending on the service you select. However, if you do the math, a good wax will cost about $200. Now times that by 4 times a year, that's $800 a year. Times 5 years, that's $4,000. Wow! Hopefully, you can see why so many people are making the investment to protect their car with a ceramic coating instead of waxing. And you should too! We are certified installers for ceramic coating. If interested, feel free to call, text, or email us. We're here to help you make the right choice for your auto investment.